Spider lily flowers are the most unique and distinctively beautiful flowers that even a beginner can grow right at home. I grew them from bulbs in a 10 inches grow bag, and in this video we will see what is the step-by-step way to grow spider lily bulbs at home, what's their proper care, etc. So keep watching this and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in spider lily plant care is their growing season. Spider lily plant is a summer's flowering plant. It's native to tropical regions, grow best in a slightly moist and hot environment. Their growing season starts in the early springs and goes all the way to the starting winters. It's a perennial plant, means it won't die in winters but stops growing. Yellow leaves may appear, but that's natural. In the upcoming springs, new growth will appear. Just keep it under a shade. It likes a temperature range of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. The best growth happens during this range. Spider lily plant is hardy and can bear a little up and down. Just don't disturb the plant in winters. It's the resting time of spider lily plant. Now let's know how we can grow spider lily plants from bulbs at home. Make sure the season is right. You can sow their bulbs in the springs. Choose very mature bulbs. You can buy them from the description below. Smaller size spider lily bulbs takes up to 2 years to produce flowers, while big size bulbs usually flower within the first year. Choose a well draining and soft soil media. Place the bulbs on the soil facing the root side downwards. Add soil around it. Water a little. Don't make the soil wet. A 10 inches pot is good for a single mature bulb. Within a few days, you will see the tiny sprout coming out of the soil. It will continue growing over the summers. Just don't water too much, otherwise the bulb can rot. Within a few months, you will see your plant will be over your whole pot. Make sure it receives sunlight daily. In the rainy season or high humidity environment, plant will grow a long stick from the base with a lot of buds on it. This is the flowering stick. You will see the flowers bloom day after day on it. One flower blooms for 1 to 2 days, then it dries out. The spider lily flower have a beautiful white color with a slight fragrance. They flower just once a year and rarely twice. Rainy season is their blooming time. You have to care the plants very well in order to get blooms on it. One of the most important things in spider lily plant care is the soil media. Spider lily plant likes a well draining, soft and porous soil media. It can grow well in a slightly hard and compact mixture, but the best growth won't happen. The soil should be very fertile and pH neutral. You can simply make a mixture right at home following the description box video. This mixture is great for spider lily plants, soft, well draining and fertile. Spider lily plant also needs a good size pot to produce the flowers. Around a 10 inches pot is enough for a single plant. As the bulbs divide under the soil, you will need an even bigger pot. Choose a grow bag. They are porous, best for drainage. Buy them from the description box. Originally they are grown in the ground, but you can easily grow them in pots if you keep the moisture ideal and space enough, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Another most important thing in spider lily plant care is their ideal spot. It's a flower producing plant, needs a good amount of sunlight. Without sunlight, a plant won't grow flowers. Leaf growth may happen, but not the budding and flowering. Spider lily plant likes a full day of direct sunlight. Find a spot for spider lily plant that receives minimum of 3 to 4 hours of sunlight daily. Lack of sunlight may cause yellow leaves, slow growth and no flowering, so be careful. You also need to fertilize your spider lily plant well enough for flowering. A good fertilizer promotes buds and flowers on spider lily plant. Use a fertilizer every month during the growing season. Plant feeds on fertilizer nutrients and make flowers. Without fertilizer, flowering won't happen well. You can use any fertilizer like compost or even vermicompost. They works really well on this plant. I have also made a fertilizer for flowering plants using kitchen-based ingredients. Video on this flower booster fertilizer is added in the description below. Otherwise, use vermicompost or kitchen waste compost. Spider lily plant also encounters some common issues like yellow leaves, stem rot and root rot. They all can be avoided with a well draining soil media and watering less. Their stem and bulbs both hold moisture, so if you forget to water, plant won't face any stress. Just don't water over and over. Here is a video on another unique and fragrant flower of summers. It's called a tuberose plant. You can grow it from bulbs just like a spider lily plant. Feel free to follow this guide and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.